Right, put them there. So let's get off with another pack which contains 2. So we'll go for Photon Shockwaves. Come on. There we go. Now. We got Shark Scarless, Motion Slots, evolves in Doduro, Fairy Fusion, a rare Photon Cerberus, Creepy Kanye, Wind Up Warrior, that's a good card. Damaged Dive, nice, don't mind that. Revelation Bridge, Poisonous Wines, nice. Larval Dual Slasher, that's a pretty cool card. Never seen that before. Wind Up Bat, DD Tofif, and Vardkoraba, Zozorach, Little Bush, Right, there's nothing really there that I was really looking forward to get. Now let's get off with another 2-card set. I'm sorry people, there's lots of packs going around everywhere. I'm trying to sort myself out whilst doing this as well. Legacy of the Valiant. So let's get this going. You guys might be thinking, right, saying he should really stop now because he's not going to get any other good packs. Well, I'm still going because this is still 100 Yu-Gi-Oh! / Pokemon card opening. We got Gorgonic Cerberus, Luminous Dragon Ritual, okay, it's a ritual card, XYZ Overraid, Boogina Swallow, a rare Boogina Fox, cool, Rose Rich, Dark, wow, that's an old card, Dark Artemis, Slavian Blessing, and Photon Chargerman. Okay, I'll put that in my Photon deck. Come on, let's get going. So I have Ghost Trick Jack Frost, Doodoo Buster, Ghost Trick Skeleton, XYZ Overraid, Boujin Fox, nah, nothing there, XYZ Shift, the Miracle Armor Icon, Ghost Trick Mummy, Ghost Trick Museum. Fair enough. Enough cards to put me in the Ghost Trick mood. Right, now let's start off. Let's get going with the Arsenal packs. Yep. Let's get on. Arsenal 2, 4, and 5. Let's start off with the old and go into the new. So here we go. Arsenal pack number 2. Hidden Arsenal, I mean. So our secret rare is Natural Guardian, Ally Mind, that's a cool tune of that, and Program the Ice Barrier, Natrin Antjaw, and Worm Opera. Okay, fair enough. Really, when it's involved with the hidden arsenals, I don't really mind them, because I know I'm going to get all holos, but if there's a particular card that is really worth getting, I would be happy, but up to now that was not really good finding. Now let's have a hidden arsenal 4. Genex Ally Reverser, Genex Ally Victorna, Genex Ally Remote. Ah, I thought I was going to get the other ones. Good cards. If I had the other Genexes, I'd be happy. But now it's time for the Hidden Arsenal 5. We got Gem Armadillo, Genestric Maria, Volt Cube, Lava Burner, and Lava Muriel. Okay. And let's get on for the final pack for the Hidden Arsenal set. Whoa! Now I'm talking! That's a great one. Lava the Geartner. That's a great one. I mean, Greatner, I meant, sorry. And Volcube, Genestric Oreo, Lava Forest Spray. Ceramic Malt. Okay. That's a good pack there. Pretty good. Happy with that. Now let's see, who should we go next, eh? Let's go with the Astral Pack number 3. Yeah, let's get going with these packs, eh? Come on, we're going to do something good with these. I can feel it. Once again, these are 3 card packs, but you can be lucky you get yourself a super rare, guaranteed. And then there's a very small chance you can get yourself an ultimate rare. So oh, my mistake. We've already seen the super rare already. We've got the Super Psychic Witch. We've got Vampire Dragon. That's cool. And then we have a Gladiator Beast Battle Archfiend Shield. That's pretty cool. These premium golds are moving all on their own. So let me move these around so I can get myself sorted. Put them there, combine them there. We got during the Spiritualist. We got Imperial Queen Archfiend, and we got a super rare Pollen Scission. Pollen Orisis. Okay, fair enough. Come on, give me some ultimates. I want an ultimate. I know I'm being greedy, but that's how I am when it's involved with cards. Heavy Slump, Super Solar Naturation, and a super rare Spellbook Library of the Crenessence. Okay, come on, my feet are about to go numb again. Need to wiggle them up. We got Deck Lockdown, that Archfiend Shield. Nice! Spellbook Star Hall. Nice! I'm happy with that. I'll take that any day for a super rare. Pretty cool. Happy with that. Now for the final one. Come on. Shake it about for a look. So we have Vampire Dragon, Heavy Slump, and a Wall of Thorns, the super rare. That was a good trap. I'm happy with that. Now that's that done. And let's see, which one should we go next? Should we go for Shadow Spectre? Yeah, why don't we? Shadow Spectre it is. Machina Photon Beast Spearhawk, Chain Dungeon, Ghost Trick Spectre. No, oh, I thought that was an ultimate. Oh, even ultra, but it's just a gold white. Mecha Photon Beast Corinthian. Oh, nice! I'm brilliant! Super rare number 46 Dragonail. Dragaloon. Sorry. Oh, that's brilliant. Happy about that. Vampire Knightdom. Ghost Trick Scare. Mackerel Spoon. Soul Drain Dragon. Awesome. Come on. What else are we going to get? Number Overlady Boost. Cho Chow. I don't know. Source-Sustained Dame Wid. Mystic Tree Dragon. A rare Punkless the Purple Pyretial. And a normal Myria the Star Bearer. I don't know. Ghost Trick Gingus. Okay. Boujin Catapede. Centipede, I meant, sorry. Boujin Iblis. My mouth's going really, really slowly now, people, because I've been doing so much reading now. It's unbelievable. Number Overlady Boost, the Fork, Gagagag Tag, Razorlate, a rare Boujin Raven, Baby Raccoon Taranta, Mystic Water Dragon. Oh wow! Instead of Water Dragon, it's Mystic. Ooh. White Dragon Web. I'm not saying that word one bit. Interrogu Sealed. Okay. Shield, I meant, sorry. Not sealed, shield. Stop premium gold. I know you guys want to walk into me, but you guys are saving for last. I mean it. Them are for last, right? So if you guys really want to see the premium gold packs, you are going to wait until the end of this show. Skelesaurus, Baby Raccoon Punkaloco, Mysterious Tree Dragon, Bujin Boar, a rare Galactic Prison, Mystic Water Dragon, Vampire Grace, Ghost Trick Witch, and Malikoros Knife. Once again, people, I've got so many rares again. I God hope my sleeves can handle all this, because I don't think it will. Chain Ingostion, Gagagata, Ghost Trick Spectral, the Frankenstein, Bujin Revelio, Soul Drain Dragon, Bujin Ibius, Raccoon Taurus, Survival of the Fittest. Okay. Hold on a second, people. Very sorry about that. I had to check out the recording because I was worried about something. But no, everything's all hunky-dory. So let's go for it. Spectre saying Dying Wind, Reversed In, Chow Chow Chow, Number 18, Malachite, Inside the Shield, Around the Boxer, right, there's nothing really there. I really want to speed this up now, people, because, you know, we're getting there, we're almost there, and I want to start off now with the Dragon of Legends. There's only 3 packs of these, so these might go quick. And once again, they are all hollows, and I'm hoping I can get what I want. Oh my god, we did! Oh baby! Dark Magician Girl, the Dragon Knight. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I am happy, I am happy, I am friggin' happy. Now that is what I call a find. I'm happy. Oh, I can't say anymore. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. Pinch myself, I am happy. Dark Magician Girl, the Dragon Knight. Friggin' happy. That's brilliant. And then we have the Etos, Final Fusion, Rising Sun Slash, and Battle Fusion. Don't really mind that, but at least I got the Dark Magician Girl, the Dragon Knight. Now that, my friends, is what I've been wanting to get for a while, and I finally got one. Even in the 100 pack opening. Might as well put this secret at the back. Photonic Hand, number 73, the Abyss Splash, Abyss Rock Sunrise, Shadow Imperial, and Fire Hand. Okay, not bad for that. The hands are not bad either. It's a shame that they are not commons yet. Each and every one of them are hollows. So it's a shame I can't put them in any decks, because they actually are really worth putting in decks. But you guys can, because I'm not stopping you, but I just think it's stupid that it's putting a hollow in your deck and it can get damaged. Even in a sleeve. Because they can bend. Magic Hand, Final Fusion, Garnet Edison, Trap Connection, and Magic, Rank Up Magic Armoration of the 1000. That was a dud. At least I found the Dark Magician Girl, the Dragon Knight. I'm happy with that, no matter what. So I don't care what else I found on that, so I did not mind. And now it is time for the Primal Origin. Brand new packs, never seen before for myself, because I've never opened one of these before. So these are my first look as well. Most of these packs I've never looked before, so, you know, never seen them before. So I'm happy that I'm opening them in this whole big massive pack opening. Last, Counter, Perfamic King, Star Dustin, Hellas and Dragon, Galaxy Tyranno, that's pretty cool. Bujin Dariant, Commanding Madine, Astric Urslash, Urbinal Horror Ghost. Oh yes, the horror sticks are in this set as well. I'm happy with that then. Oh my god, the Ancient Gears are back. Ancient Gears are back, people. Ancient Gear box. That's brilliant. Shoik Knight, ZS Vanish Sage, number C43, High Malefic the Chaos. Okay. And a super rare! Nice! Artilefic Scythe. Cool, I'm happy with that. Double Dragon Distance, Seren's Waterlash, Artifact Fail Knight, okay, and Galaxy Mirror Sage, okay. Now the next one. Oh, a drop. Sage, the Artifact Bell Canali, where it is, Galaxy Dragon, Ghost Trick Parade, Button Princess, okay. Oh man, the Dark Worlds are back! And it's a super! I didn't even notice that, it's so faint! That is so faint, but it is a super rare. Yep, super rare. Brilliant! I'm happy with that. Don't mind it, but it's really, really faint, so it's hard to tell. Number 48, Shadow Lich. Artifact again. The Artifacts Unleashed. Okay. For the final pack, so easy. This set's gonna be good. It has it has all of my favourite teams, like the Dark Worlds, and they're all in it. This set, it's pretty good. Shoji Knight, number 43, the Manfolter, the Soul of Souls, Last Counter, Hellific Dragon again, number C80, Requiem, the Berserk, Version Drained, Double Dragon Distance, Rose Waterpool, and Hounded Footed Horror. That's a cool card to be sound. Right, now it's time for the War of the Giants. This pack is going to be standard. Actually, no. This pack is going to be opened first, because I really want to save the hunt for the Egyptian gods last. So let's go for it. Evil Swarm, Horrific. Yes, Berserk Gorilla, I'll have that. Women are Withers, Berserk Silence, Junk Forward. The Heroic Challengers are back. Double Summon, Reverse Glasses, Nitwit Outwit. Nice! An Ultra Rare! High Princess of Prophecy. That's a good card. And a super rare, General Forward of the Ice Barrier. Cyber Premier, nice. Noric Relic Premium, that's okay. Malefic Photon Beast Scalium, where is? Light Sword Sorceress, nice, I'm happy with that. And Evil Swarm Ketos. Okay, fair enough. That one I didn't really mind, but still great to find and great to grab. And once again, Chaos Gorilla, I'm happy with that. And now it's time for the War of the Giants Battle Pack 2. If I actually get myself any Egyptian god, I'm going to be happy. Even if it's Slife of the Sky Dragon, which I have already got because I pulled one ages ago, I do not really mind. Flame Tiger, Ultimate Tyranno. It's a rare. Rares. There we go. Enemy Controller. That's a Mosaic rare this time. So stick that there. Rising Energy. Spell Striker, Alexandrite Dragon, Cyber Valley. Oh, Rikuko! Ryuku. Okay, that's a great mosaic rare. Where's it there again? I forget. And power frame. I meant, sorry. Danielto, whatever it is. Turbos from the Underworld. A rare, Reckless Greed. A mosaic rare, Tiki Crush. And Union Attack. Shield Warrior. A Volta Crusher. A rare White Knight Dragon. Nice! A Forbidden Lance as a mosaic rare. I'm always going to forget about that. An Axe Despair. That's awesome card, that Axe of Despair. It's a brilliant card. I always use that in my decks. Fiends, Sanctuary. Zorak the Dark. Rare Cyberjar. Oh, come on. Mystic Wake. And Draining Shield. Come on, I just want an Egyptian guard in this set. Come on. Museum of the Imperial. Steamroid. The rare Moya of Vengeance. Nope. Shout of Greed. Mosaic. Mask of Weakness. Come on. Malefic Photon Beast Hellrates, Neil Sunfish, a rare Dark Lord Desire. Nice. It's a good card, that. Desire. Dark Lord Desire. It's a good card. Rising Energy as a Mosaic and Miracle Loco. Looks like I'm not getting anything. Oh, come on. My luck cannot run out now. My luck cannot run out. I've been on a roll lately. I cannot let it go down now. I'm near to the end. Riajing, Pitch Black Werewolf, a rare Karubanos, a Yultinel Terror, Axe of Fools. Come on. Come on, Obelisk the Tormentor. You're one of my personal favourites, man. Power Giant, Card Guard, Monster Reborn as a rare. Now that is what I'm calling a find. Brilliant. Half Counter, Skull Sorcerer. Come on. Final one, people. Final pack for the War of the Giants. Give me a blow. Come on. Bit of a shake. And it's time. A lucky tear. Come on. Photon Sanctuary, Card Trooper, a rare Spellenden Veil. Oh, I thought it was as well. Bull Blader, oh man, and Rocket Pedal. Okay, right people, it is time. It is fully time. It's time for me to move the rares. Time for me to move the ultimate, move the mosaics. I mean it. I'm moving everything away now because these are gold. They are gold secrets, gold rares, everything. 4 premium gold packs. I count them as 3 of each. So 3, 6, 9, 12 packs. There are 5 cards per pack in America if you guys want to know. But I want to protect the packs as usual. Come on. I don't know how enough it is, but whatever it is, it says in the entire set includes 32 gold secrets and 58 gold rares. Dun, 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 dun. So for our secret gold rare is Gimmick Puppet, Humphrey Durham. Dynathium. Yes! Ah, yes! 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 Ring Dragon of War! Ring Dragon of War! We found one! Oh! Yes! I am so happy! Oh my god! I don't care, people. I found an Egyptian god card. I don't care if they're easy to find. I finally found one. Oh yes! Took me a while to get him as well. Ghost Trick Puppet Dealer. Yes! Oh my god! No way! We found him! Bizarre, the Delock Dragon. Load of people want him. Load of people. Seriously, I am not lying. A lot of people want this card. I'm so happy now. Number 31, Emodius of the Punishment. And now time for the normal gold rares. I'm putting them guys down, put these guys there. We have Gravekeeper's Spy. Swords of Revealing Light, people. Oh yes. We got Mind Controller. Bottomless Trapple. Mystical Space Typhoon. Freaking amazing. Judgment Dragon. Number 32, Shark Drake. Colossum Fighter. And Forbidden Lance. Put that there. Right, Swords of Revealing Light, Mind Crusher, Bottomless Trapple, and Mystical Space Typhoon. Oh man, that's unbelievable. I'll put the ones that I think that are good, but not fairly the best that I'm looking for there. Okay, come on people. We're getting there. That was the first pack. Can it get it better? And there's another card in this set that I really want to get, and that is Dark Magician Girl. I mean it, Dark Magician Girl is in this set, and I will not rest until I die. Okay, welcome back. Sorry about that, people. My camera died. Had to quickly recharge it. I haven't touched anything at all. So let's get going again. Right, let's do this really quick now, people. Yeah, I hear ya! Ancient Pixie Dragon. Number. Gimmick Forex. No Forex. Nice! Got Dragonite Dragon. Trap Stun. Nice! Gold Scorpion. Nice ones. Oh my god, we're getting good cards now. Morphin Jar. Go. I'm sorry people, I know I'm going really quick now, but my father's here. He forbids me playing Yu-Gi-Oh! So I have to do this quick now, people. Seriously. So I'm trying to lower down my temperature of the excitement. Blackwing Dragon, awesome. License. Swords of Revealing Light, awesome. Mind Control, Bottomless Trapple, Mystical Space Typhoon, awesome gun. It's great that. Let's be quick. Final pack, people. And then we end it. And I'll show you the foils in a moment. Donate. Ghost Trick Riders. Power Tool, Mecha Dragon, nice. Golden Scope. Nice! Right, that is it, people. We'll cut this now.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test, to train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. It's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. A heart so true, our courage will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Yeah. Every challenge along the way, with courage I will face. I will battle every day to claim my rightful place. Come with me, the time is right. There's no better team. Arm in arm,
then our two main ones. Brazier of the Dirting Dragons, and finally the Ring Dragon of Raw. So really, the best two pulls of all of it that I would really say are them three. Always the best ones to come last. If you want to call it a 4, I'll put it down. There we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the 100 Yu-Gi-Oh! / Pokemon packs. Thank you, Connor, for the Vanguards again. It's brilliant. If you guys enjoyed it, I'm sure you did. Hit that like button, and if you guys really do want some Pokemon codes, please tell me. But you must be a subscriber. See you guys next time for some more Pokemon / Yu-Gi-Oh! Card openings, which will be a long time, which will take me a long time, because I am going to take a break of Yu-Gi-Oh! Pokemon for a while. See you guys next time. Cheerio.